Hi everyone, welcome back to Dining Table Recipes. Today's special recipe is Sri Lankan tempered onion. We call it as Seeni Sambol. So let's see how I'm going to make it. Preheat the pan till hot and add some oil. Then add all the spices, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and curry leaves. Then garlic and 2-3 green chilies. Give it a quick mix. Now it is the time to add onion. Today I am using 250 grams of onion. You can cut it into slices. Wilt the onion on medium heat while stirring constantly. Continue until it becomes light brown color. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you can add salt and then chili flakes and chili powder as per your taste. Now I'm going to add little bit of turmeric powder. Stir fry for another 1 minute. Next add 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can change these ingredients according to your taste. Now I'm going to add final ingredients. Before that, when it becomes nice brown color like this, you can switch off the flame and then add 1 tablespoon of butter and also add some lime juice. Give it a quick mix. Now my tempered onion is ready to serve. This tempered onion can be enjoyed as a filling in sandwiches and buns or as a side dish. I hope you do try this recipe and I'm sure you're going to love this one. Try this and let me know about your ideas. I like to see your comments. So thank you very much for watching my recipes. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And don't forget to share it with your friends. See you everyone.